How to fix voice problem in Discord mobile on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix voice problem in Discord mobile on Android phone. First open Discord and then go to settings and scroll down until you find voice. And now this one here, auto sensitivity, disable it. You will find it like that. Just disable it. And now this one, make it low, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed. And now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.